We're probably still at the beach drowning right now.
They're probably like, look at the bikers.
And like, I can't feel sorry for you if you're at the beach and it's raining. Like at the literal beach, not like we're at the beach, but like if you're literally near the water.
I mean, thank God we didn't get caught in it.
We didn't go to the beach.
I bet it looks beautiful over the beach.
No. No Scooby-Doo, that's not how it works. We'll go investigate everything. Just let nature run its course.
Wow. It's just like, I don't see any like bolts of lightning. I just see flashes of light.
You don't see that bush over there catch on fire in like 3 seconds. You'd be like, dang, why did I speak? Sounds like it stopped raining.
Really?
Why are you holding my foot?
Taylor?
Yeah.
I didn't know if you were here.
Why are you holding my foot?
Because I love you.
Why don't you go hold Jordan's foot wherever she is?
Jordan, where are you?
And she's in the bathroom.
She's in the bathroom straightening her hair again.
For
She's
an
a
hour.
little obsessed with her hair right now. Putting it in her face.
She's gonna dye it black and get bangs.
Hmm.
And listen to My Chemical Romance.
They're going to have their own emos by that time.
Well, they're not good emos, because then you're gonna end up like Amanda.
I see a cloud moving in. Super fast. On the left side. Do you
didn't
see
hear
it?
My sick burn. You didn't acknowledge.
Wasn't much of a burn.
It was a burn.
Oh.
Because I said that she's gonna end up like you. I would not get emo either.
Amanda's not
I
emo.
don't listen to you.
Amanda's never
Listen
been
to
emo.
Youngblood and MGK. MGK's
Not
pretty emo.
emo.
He's pretty
You listen to Papa Roach.
emo. Okay.
Ooh,
That is pretty
burn.
emo. That is
Exactly.
pretty emo.
You're not a good emo. Your
They're
hair's
not emo
Your
anymore.
hair's not pink.
They're not emo anymore. They're not mad
Look,
anymore.
emo is when you cut yourself, you wear black clothes, and your hair is pink, straightened, and in your face.
And you listen to Black Veil Brides.
What?
Exactly.
You listen to what now?
Black Veil Brides.
A screamo
Is that
band.
a band?
Dude, Jordan's gonna be listening to all that scream and you're like, what the fuck are you listening to?
Because we're watching the
this
lightning show, honey.
storm.
That's so dark.
Did you think we lost power?
No, because the lights were upstairs.
Oh.
Ha.
Are you really recording that?
Who?
Yes.
My mother.
Why do you seem so close?
Because we're snuggling.
Can you hold her foot or something?
No. Uh-oh. Why did it just get quiet?
Because the washing machine or the dishwasher went off.
That was so funny.
Excuse.
Amanda, you want to come play with Titi?
No, I'm joking. I want to put on our masks.
A what?
Our face.
Oh, all right. Just wait till the storm is over, honey.
It's
Let's
not gonna be
appreciate
over.
this.
Yeah, it's
It's
fine
a
with you.
beautiful
You're gonna be
night.
recording for the next hour.
You only have like that 11 minutes of recording.
Why? There's a time limit?
You don't see it.
Yeah, what does that mean?
That means that's how long you have to record.
Man, that must suck
You're
for
just
concerts.
like literally wasting battery at this point.
Oh my god. I knew it. I knew it was going to be a loud
You're gonna
one.
go back and watch that video, and you're gonna just hear that, and then I knew it.
I knew it was going to be a loud crash.
It wasn't that loud.
Ooh, I'm scared, guys. Where's the blanket? Where's the blanket?
Stop.
Where's
Stop,
the
Sean. Stop, Sean.
Where's the
This
blanket?
is DT's scary movie.
Jordan. Oh, so I totally fell asleep down here last night.
Did you? I told you to leave the TV on.
I did.
You did? I came down. It was off.
It turns off after a certain amount.
Oh,
of
it
time.
does?
But yeah, I passed out right there. Like with my feet on this.
Really?
On the bed.
It's going to have another one, guys. See how quiet it is?
No,
Give me the
the
blanket.
dishwasher just stopped again. It's raining this time.
It's going to be loud. Everybody scared?
I tapped my foot on my toe on his shoulder. Because I knew it would.
a nice
You see
storm.
the lightning's outside.
Grab Amanda's foot or something.
You.
Taylor's putting her feet
No,
out.
do not touch my feet.
Grab her.
Do not touch
Taylor has.
Why, you gonna
weird
kick somebody?
I hate feet so much. And when people
Well,
touch
you
my
don't have to touch him.
I know, but when people touch my feet,
Can you
So
stop
you don't-
touching my legs, please?
You don't like getting a pedicure?
Sex.
She's back into her phone.
I've had a pedicure before.
She asked
That
if
wasn't
you,
the
she
question.
asked, she asked if you liked him.
Oh.
Are you gonna answer?
Or are you just gonna text Max? Are you
I'm
gonna...
not texting Max, I'm texting Anaya.
Oh, even worse.
None
It
of
was
my
okay.
messages are sending.
It kind of burned my feet.
How?
Really?
Okay,
The
Sean.
water?
No, I love hot water, but I think it was like what they were using. It was burning.
Ever
Oh.
had hot coals on your feet? Should try it. I haven't either, but I'm just saying. Oh, so, Mom, I was telling Corey about the massage place I went to.
Mm-hmm.
And he was like, yeah, I think I know where it is. And I didn't even tell him the name.
Really?
He went to this Asian place, and they, like, walked on his back. And I was like, oh, no, Corey, that ain't the right place.
They have those, though. They have bars on.
Yes, yeah, I know
Yeah.
that. But I'm like, dude, this black lady knew what she was doing.
Oh, I didn't know. Where, in Malden?
Yeah.
Oh,
Black
okay.
lady. It was real nice.
So how would he? Oh, Corey. He's the one that lives in Malden.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I'm like, Corey, no, but they're not Asians.
Uh-huh.
He was like, dude, I didn't even know I had to get naked.
Wait. Oh.
Because you can either get naked or
Yeah,
be
you don't
naked.
have to if you're not
Yeah,
comfortable.
I don't want to have people be subject to that.
Yeah.
He's like, I didn't even know I had to be naked. Well, no. Apparently they told him he had to be naked for that.
Oh.
He wasn't allowed to be in his underwear.
Actually, the massages I've had, I was asked to get naked.
Um,
I don't remember if I could leave
I've
my
always
underwear
been
on.
told at those places I've been to, they're like, oh, you can either be in your underwear or naked, whatever it's called.
But they keep you covered.
Still, they bring it pretty low and they're rubbing everything.
Yeah, well, we'll pay extra for that.
I was not talking about
I'm just saying.
that. And those are just called rubbing toes.
Oh my. They're called happy endings.
They're called rubbing toes.
The gods are very angry at this conversation. Oh.
I was like, Corey, did you get raped in there?
Oh no.
He's like, yeah, they stood on my back and everything. I was like, yeah, that's not the place I went to. I went to the place and she told me everything that was wrong with my back and whatnot. I was